walking in the gardens wearing a coat. Akbar said, no one would ever enter this freezing pond. But Birbal said, no Lord, they would enter just for money. Akbar just touched the pond. Rapidly Akbar took his hand out. He said, it's freezing cold. I'll give $1,000 to the one who agrees and stands in the water till the whole night. The next day, Birbal brought a poor man who was thin and famished. He agreed to stand in the pond for 1,000 gold coins. Akbar didn't believe. Akbar said, okay, you should stand in a cold pond for a whole night. Okay, Lord. Akbar couldn't believe that someone would do that. Hence, he called a soldier and said to see. The soldier was standing from terrace and watching. The man was shivering inside the pond. The whole night passed. The man came to take his reward when Akbar asked, what did you do? How did you survive the whole night in the pond? Oh Lord, I just saw the lamp shining. I just gazed at it thinking of warmness. Don't lie, now that you took the heat of the lamp. No, I know it. You won't be rewarded. Go away. The poor man went sadly. Birbal didn't like what King Akbar did. The next day he didn't come to the court. Lord Akbar was so worried. He sent one of his men to see what happened to Birbal. They went and asked, oh Lord Birbal, Lord Akbar is calling you. Why didn't you come? My food is ready, getting ready. I need to eat it and I will come. Okay. That's all the man told. Then Lord Akbar left. 1 hour passed. Birbal didn't come. 2 hours passed. Birbal didn't come. 3 hours passed. Birbal didn't come. Several hours passed like this. Lord Akbar couldn't handle his patience. Lord Akbar himself went to see Birbal. He went into Birbal's house and was shocked to see the fire which lit down here and the pot with food was kept 8 or 10 feet above. Akbar asked, what? Isn't the food ready? Birbal said, it's getting ready, sir. It's taking time. Akbar laughed. How will it get burned, Birbal? How will it get heat and meat ready? If a poor man in the pond can get water heat from that far lamp, then why can't this get cooked, sir? Then Lord Akbar realized his mistake. He said, I understood my mistake, Birbal. I will pay him my due tomorrow. Thank you, O Lord. You are great, said Birbal. The poor man came the next day and asked the due. Akbar paid him 1,000 gold coins and the poor man went happily. Here, this interesting story ends. Thank you.